Hi everyone and welcome to week 3 of 5 on Friday. This week I want to challenge you to a full body 5-minute workout. Each exercise I will take you through, you're going to perform as many reps as possible in 1 minute before moving on to the next exercise. A quick reminder to make sure that you've warmed up before starting these exercises and that you've got enough space around you. Okay, the first exercise we're going to do is the log jump. So this exercise is going to get your heart rate up and really prepare you for the exercises to come. All you're going to do is sprint on the spot, making sure you're on the balls of your feet. Every 5 or 6 steps you're going to push off, do a big jump pretending you're over the log. We're really looking for power and explosivity on this one. So it will look something like this. Okay, you're going to do that for 1 minute. Exercise number 2, we're going to be looking at our legs. So this one we're going to do some squats. Couple of things, make sure your feet are shoulder width apart, our toes are facing slightly outwards. Really important with the squat, we need to make sure we keep our chest up and our back nice and straight, and then our weight goes through the heels, okay? So all you're going to do, squat down, nice and controlled, and up again, keeping that chest up and that back nice and straight. Try not to get your knees going over your toes either. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can do a jump squat. As you're coming down, jump all the way up and up again. 1 minute, as many as possible. Exercise number 3 is leg raises, and this time we're really working on our core strength. So for this one, you're going to lie flat on the floor and lift your legs up at a 90-degree angle and back down again. Really important with this one that we are not arching our back and you're keeping it flat on the floor. So all we're going to do is controlled lift the legs up and then back down again without touching the floor, bring them all the way back up. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you're going to do pulses at the bottom, which will look something like this. So lifting the legs up, 1, 2, 3, and then all the way back up. You're going to do 1 minute and see how many reps you can get. Exercise number 4 is tricep dips, so working our arms. So for this one, you just need your chair, and what you've got to make sure you're doing is you've got a nice position, our legs are straight. All you're going to do is lower yourself down as far as possible and come back again. Try not to lower yourself all the way to the floor. We're thinking about control here. My elbows are going back, they're not going out to the side. When you come up, try not to lock your elbows like this, have them a little bit looser. So again, however many reps you can do in 1 minute. The final exercise we're going to do is a plank up and down, which is a full body workout. It's going to be a little bit harder and a bit of a progression from the plank that you did in week 1 of 5 on Friday. So really important with the plank that you're making sure you keep a neutral neck and spine, so nice and straight, and your hands and your shoulders make a straight line. Okay, so you're going to start in this position, making sure our hips aren't dipped too low or pushed up too high, and our hands are over. All we're going to do, keeping that core engaged, is go up and down as many times as possible in 1 minute. A quick recap of the exercises you've got to do for this week's 5 on Friday. The first one is your log jump. The second one, squats. Third one, leg raises. Fourth one, tricep dips. And the last one, plank up and down. Remember, you're spending 1 minute on each exercise and you're trying to get as many reps as possible in that time. Good luck and have fun completing your 5 on Friday. Stay tuned to hear about Mr Lalor's 5-ingredient healthy snack.
Welcome to the next instalment of 5 on Friday nutrition segment. Today we've got a great smoothie recipe for you based around 5 key areas. First up, we've got Pick Your Protein, rich in amino acids, vital for immune function and repair of muscle. First up, we've got some Greek yogurt. Big spoonful of this going in. Done. Number 2, we've got Get Colourful. Fruit and veg is helpful in reducing markers of inflammation. Today I'm going a few strawberries. I'm going a few blueberries. These are frozen versions, they last longer. I've also got a frozen banana in there. In at number 3, we've got optional oats. Extra calories to refuel us from running around the world. In we go. I blended those up earlier, okay, so you can include them straight here, but it just is a bit smoother if we blend them up before. Number 4, we've got topping up with healthy fats. Today I'm going for a peanut butter, and there's a couple of other options that we'll include on the screen to the left. Just 1 big teaspoon of that. In we go. Last but not least, we've got number 5, milk to finish. Okay, you can use any options here based on your calorie needs. So if we want something high calorie, we can go full fat. If we want lower calorie, we can go semi-skimmed or skimmed. Or equally, non-dairy options are great too. I'd go about 300 mils in that. Top on. And away we go. Okay, there we have it. 5 on Friday, smoothie to finish. Delicious.